Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
RAIC or rake or respectability, acceptability, integrity, and credibility. And that's what I called RAIC as part and parcel ng sinasabing pagiging isang mamamahayag ka or journalist or whatever you do in life, if you're in a private sector, whether you're in politics, whether you're a senator or whether you are a congressman, you have the same standard. I don't want to talk about morality dito mga boss kasi who am I to say that only God will have to make that kind of judgment. Pero the human standard, yun hong sa sinasabing pamantayan ho ng tao, dapat well-defined ho yan. You cannot separate the private, from public, professional. Kasi yung professional, ikaw yun meaning that is what you live by your profession on the basis of who you are. Hindi ho pwede, kung ang simpleng bagay lang ho sa pamilya, nag-aaway lang kayo ng misis mo, hindi kayo magkaintindihan, naghiwalay kayo, nagkatampuhan kayo, for whatever reasons, or, whatever that is, sige, may infidelity issue, may issue na ho roon Nagkakasala ho yung tao kahit sino. Ngayon nagkakaroon ng problema, nagiging weak din ho yan, pero ho yung bagay na kung saan sabihin na ho natin dito, yung respeto sa depende na ho kasi kung ikaw may Diyos at ako yung i-invoke the name of God, because anytime we invoke the name of God, parang ang dating tayo lang mga banal, pareho tayo, isa lang Diyos natin, ako'y makasalanan din. Pero ang point ko lang ho rito, yung salita ho na RAIC, respectability, acceptability, integrity, and credibility is packaged into one, and that's basically honor, meaning honorable. Okay? Nagiging naintindihan ho ba ako? Iba ho yung personal na kung saan kung personal mo na for example naapektuhan yung iyong professional dahil ikay indirectly nalilink doon sa bagay na ikasisira ng iyong professional kasi yung iyong personal na buhay medyo mabubuhol magkakaroon ng buhol Importante walang buhol yan. Napakahirap po talaga mabuhay sa mundong ito na may pamantayan ka. Lahat naman ho tayo talagang we will come up short at pagkukulang ho talaga Depende na ho yan kung bagay ho na ayaw kong i-invoke dito the name of God and religious. Let's talk about the human standard of what integrity means and what respectability means, of acceptability and credibility into one RAIC. I keep on saying the word RAIC, respect, acceptable, integrity and credibility. Yung credibility ho ng isang individual, lalo-lalo na kapag ikay hinalal or ikay may posisyon na yung mga tao ikay sinusundan at pinaniniwalaan and you're standing on a higher moral ground sa yung pagiging professional. Am I teaching here? No, I'm just saying. I mean, anyone taking up journalism course or anyone following me sa Bitag Ben Tulfo sa Twitter, go ahead, follow me. You journalism students, mass comm students, or anybody taking up course and you want to know more about all these, the facts of life and standards. Sometimes we carry certain standards. Kung wala kang pinanghahawakan na pamantayan sa buhay mo, damong ligaw ka na. And then gumawa ka ng sarili mong pamantayan kung ano yung tama at mali, may problema ka. Ang pamantayan ng tama ay tama at mali ay mali. Mali na ho ba?